Whether you're selling your works of art or craft creations on Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, or another online platform, making sound business decisions is crucial. Starting a limited liability company for your craft store can provide several benefits. Most importantly, an LLC structure offers limited liability to its owners, which can protect their personal assets from lawsuits and creditors. For a craft store, lawsuits can arise from things like false advertising allegations, for example, if a client suspects that an art supply they purchased is not authentic, etc. LLCs are also affordable, highly flexible, from a tax point of view, and can make your craft store seem more credible. You should form an LLC when there's any risk involved in your business and/or when your business could benefit from tax options and increased credibility. The formation process for LLCs varies depending on which state you're forming one in. Still, in general, the process has some universal steps that need to be taken, no matter your business's location. The basic steps in the LLC formation process in any state are as follows. Step 1. Choose an LLC name. Coming up with the perfect name for your new LLC is an important step. You'll need to choose a name that represents your company and describes what you do, and you'll also have to make sure it isn't already in use by checking your state's business database. Step 2. Choose a state to register your LLC. Once you have a name, register your LLC with the state in which you will operate. In specific, business-friendly states like Delaware or Nevada can be a good place to start. You can register your LLC in these states easily even if you live in another country. Step 3. Designate a registered agent. Your LLC's registered agent, an individual or a professional service, is responsible for receiving important document deliveries from the state, like service of process, annual report reminders, etc., and forwarding them to you. The registered agent ensures that the state always has a reliable point of contact for your business. Step 4. File your formation documents with the state. The form used to create an LLC is usually called the Articles of Organization, although the name can vary. Some states call it the Certificate of Formation or something similar. You'll need to provide the state with basic information about your business and its owners. In exchange, the state will formally create your LLC. Step 5. Acquire an EIN. The Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a federal tax ID number that essentially functions as a social security number for a business. The EIN allows your business to hire employees, pay taxes, apply for bank loans, and more. You can easily obtain an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service free of charge. Step 6. Create an LLC operating agreement. Most states don't require operating agreements, but every LLC should have one. This internal document outlines several key operational aspects of your LLC. The value of the operating agreement is how it can help prevent ownership disputes, by clearly explaining how the LLC will be run. Step 7. Create a financial infrastructure. You will need a business bank account for your LLC, and you'll probably want a business credit card for work-related expenses. Using accounting software like FreshBooks or hiring an accountant to handle your bookkeeping is also a good idea. Step 8. Obtain insurance. Operating a business without insurance is extremely risky, as it could result in financial devastation if the business is faced with a lawsuit or other unexpected expenses. As such, LLCs need insurance to protect themselves against these risks. At a minimum, you'll need general liability insurance, workers' compensation insurance, and commercial property insurance for your art and craft business. Because it's better to be safe than sorry. Step 9. Understand maintenance requirements, annual reports, franchise taxes, etc. Again, these requirements can vary by state, but most states require some sort of regular report to ensure that your LLC's info is up to date in the state's business database. Some states require reports annually, while others only require them biannually or not. No matter what your state requires, you'll need to stay on top of it to keep your LLC in good standing. Without a doubt, there is much to think about when deciding on the ideal business structure for your online art and craft business. You can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC if you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult. Incfile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Incfile. Incfile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. Incfile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. Incfile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. Incfile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the Incfile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because Incfile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. Incfile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.